So I made a stand for a planer with, the latest woodworking technology, like resin, because, why not get a beautiful, natural, sustained piece of wood and just cover it on plastic and make sure that it never degrades. But anyways, that's one of my beef with what I'm seeing lately. The other one is this. I bought this 2 years ago when it came out, and I can't bring myself to open it because ever since I bought it, all I see is just people becoming lazy about woodworking, building every goddamn thing with this thing. And anyways, so because I'm such an expert, I built this beautiful plywood and 2x4 stand. Anyways, enough of that. The theory is this, that I wanted to make a stand, and I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna find out together. I wanted to make a dust collection system, but have no filter, and as you can see, this is open here, and it doesn't have a speck of dust. It's never been turned on. I mean, the planer I use, but this I've never used it. We're gonna find out together. So basically I bought this thing at Home Depot, and I built a frame so it fits perfectly, not too tight, but fairly tight. And as you can see, it's got holes, and it has like 8 of them. And mind you, there's a 2x2 here running across, so it sits right on top of here. But there is no seal to it. And question is, will it work? Will all the dust come up from the top or from the side? So I'm gonna get me a piece of wood, and we're gonna try it out. So I'm gonna run a piece of pine 2x8 a few times from this angle to see what is happening at the bottom where there is no seal for that thing, and let's see what happens. I think I need to run it more than once because I can see the dust coming out, so that will be a fail. Which I do have a contingency plan for it. Okay, I made three walls, and I thought the pressure will shoot everything out here from the front, and I was 100% right. I didn't record it, but I just turned it on and the stuff started to fly out of here. So I do have a door cut out here. I went to Home Depot, but it's family day, so they're closed. So I'm gonna get a piano hinge and a little latch and some weather stripping, and pop that up probably tomorrow or the day after, and we'll give this a try. Other than that, yeah, I'll catch up with you then.